Hello friend, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil. And this video is related to the knime. Means if you have data and if you want to extract the metadata from your knime workflows, or let's say any file, okay, and in knime how you can do it. This is the video for that. So this is one of the sample workflow that I have already in my system in the knime, okay. And if you see on the left hand side in the CSV reader, I have near about 13 columns, but I am not interested in the data. I am interested only in the column name and its meta, means column name and its data type, so it's metadata, okay. So how you can extract, or if you want to store it in an Excel, or if you want to download it, then how you can do it. So for that, what you have to do is you have to use the extract table spec. This is the particular node in a knime that you can use to extract the data. So I will little, let me zoom in. Okay, yeah. So in the table extractor, what you have to do is okay, okay, just I want to just play this. Okay, just you have to apply it. You have to don't do anything in that setting and all, just as it is, just run it, okay. And after that, uh, just what you have to do is, because column index, lower bound and upper bound, I don't need that. Column index if you need, then you can use it. But what I will do is I will use column filter, because I don't want that unnecessary columns. So what I will do is I will drag the column filter, and I will remove last upper bound, lower bound and column index, okay. After that, if I want to download this particular thing, then I will use this Excel writer, okay. And just you have to drag it, drop it, and then connect it. And if I want this in where you want, I want this in my desktop, which is file format is correct, and save is metadata, okay. Apply, okay, and run it. Now if I go to my desktop, there is a file, Excel file, because I want in Excel. So, and if you click on this, this is how you get the column and column type, okay. So this is very easy process if you want to extract the metadata. So this will help you. Thank you.